So hello everybody, welcome to the another banger episode of our What If series. So guys, if you haven't watched my previous video, go and watch it. In that video, I have talked about what if Toji didn't kill himself in Shibuya arc. So now let's head back to our present topic. So today we are going to talk about what if Megumi summoned Mahoraga in the first episode of JJK. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, as you know, in first episode of JJK, Yuji and Megumi was fighting with the curse spirit, but at the end of the fight, Yuji was just going to die, but without wasting any time, he just ate the first finger of Sukuna and he turned into Sukuna. So after seeing that, Megumi was literally shocked because it was his first time seeing Sukuna in front of his eyes. So as you can see, without wasting any time, Megumi started his ritual. He started to summon his 10th Shikigami, General Mahoraga. But before he could have completed his ritual, Gojo appeared out of nowhere to save Megumi and Yuji. But today we are going to talk about what would have happened if Gojo arrived little late. So let's assume Megumi started his ritual and he successfully completed his ritual. Now there are 3 peoples on this battlefield: Megumi, Sukuna and Mahoraga. Because Gojo is little late, but just after summoning Mahoraga, Gojo appeared out of nowhere. Now the most intense fight is going to begin. Because as you know, right now Yuji just ate one finger of Sukuna and he is still very weak. And you know what kind of beast is Mahoraga. As you have already seen in season 2, how Mahoraga gave equal fight to 15 finger Sukuna. So now Sukuna wouldn't be able to face General Mahoraga, and this is where Gojo is going to run his mind. Before defeating Sukuna, Gojo is going to ask Megumi to keep one finger Sukuna busy while he is going to tame Mahoraga. Because you know, from the beginning, Gojo have insane amount of strength, speed, teleportation power and lots of curse techniques. So you know, as 15 finger Sukuna easily defeated Mahoraga, so it would be lot easier for Gojo to defeat Mahoraga. So Megumi and Sukuna are fighting with each other while Megumi is keeping Sukuna busy so that Gojo and Mahoraga can fight each other. Now at a start, Gojo is going to take Mahoraga little lightly, but as the fight goes on and Mahoraga is going to adapt all of Gojo's technique, but at the last Gojo is going to use his ultimate weapon, Hollow Purple, and finally Gojo have successfully tamed Mahoraga. So after taming Mahoraga, Gojo is going to fight with one finger Sukuna, who is just a noob in this battle arena because he just ate one finger. Now Gojo and Mahoraga is going to take care of Sukuna and it's over. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video and please make sure to subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos.